Aggressive neck cracking, especially when done by someone who is untrained, can damage the ligaments in your neck. In rare cases, it can tear important blood vessels like vertebral artery, increasing the risk of major bleeding and stroke. It can also damage the spinal cord, causing paralysis or even death from difficulty breathing.